To get started with Cloudspire Voice, open your web browser and navigate to the portal URL provided by your administrator. You'll see the login screen with the Cloudspire logo and a simple sign-in form. In the username field, enter your extension number followed by a dash and then your tenant name. For example, 201-Wicked Sprockets. Your administrator will provide these credentials when your account is set up. Next, enter the password that was assigned to you. If this is your first time logging in, you may have been given a temporary password that you'll want to change once you're inside the portal. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your portal. After signing in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. You can see your name in the top right corner confirming you're logged in. From here, you have access to the soft phone, call history, messages, and all your portal features. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your extension, with quick action buttons for common tasks like checking your voicemail, viewing recent calls, and more. That's all there is to getting started.